whilst the numbers of persons who have tested positive for COVID has increased, the number of new cases is considerably less yesterday than it was on Sunday. So we're moving from 45 confirmed to 16. If we can move to 9 today, 2 tomorrow,
Oh boy, Delia. From
0
your lips to God's ears.
by me, I'd be a happy camper.
I read about other Caribbean countries who are recording 0 for like 3 and 4 days straight, and I'm like, Jesus, be a, a miracle worker here, because we are. Anyway, where are we going to start? We're going to start with that?
The
lockdown. Okay.
So the 24-hour curfew in St. Catherine is to be extended by 3 days. Sorry, folks. I know you're all looking forward to tomorrow. Well, end of today to say, yeah, we can get out. They're taking us to the weekend. So it's going to end at 6 a.m. on Friday. So, it was imposed 7 days starting on April 15, further extended. So they've added a couple. St. Catherine, if you look at the numbers that we have, no complaint. Them are protected by telling us to stay in. Because if our parish alone gone over 200, that's crazy. That's crazy.
Yeah.
So that's that.